Olire ekaro kuanyora gerende bintu mbiriko toka rais karo kuanyora agantu kaga gake karende dendere bise bya kubiryo gukina bikine bicho gotena agabu nechate ntoigwana ine. That is the only way. Ena jagoke na ara uni way. Now again to kende a county government kubwatira na technical working group ya mangana youth tuarosire youth policy muna mwaigwa etutete youth policy yeye echiche ekonyo musao kore biashara agasiga agwa ku mupira egisege gotera buna babuju musayansi gari musabona antivirus yo act tariwo igo kero monto musao rio gwetete ogukina anyore gantu gakigwa ku musuguma askibosio na yarubugi mobo iga gusina atare gantu kari mubuko tariwo igo ikira kintu kiamana ne kina kitokoligia kene kiyeze story chinyinge nga pere chigo to irande. The only thing keringa to time maybe to 1 2 3 agazutu arekene mobuko na liora alete no na abantu sigwana hivi bila gento mobuko to kunyara commentate people moigo ntoigwana hivi bakotu aragantu mobuko ekarumada mwago terie sigwa soka uchiari kuirana na kende usebona wami ibe youth policy you ere final stage mwaro MCA no arega eromo yana te bangamba to buatesi ete through the assembly ekona ntina etumire cabinet erugari egerechiche gokonya abana ba minto musana ro kuona gai kiongozi mumaite biongozi oyo mona qualify to ya kabe kiongozi okuwa nege togeteige kia sana otebanga basaba iga itukundijo no nyandimo mure inyuru onyene inu mogo tetea mutoke meserio ko bange sabu 1 2 3 omonte inyorenga akasenkaro gago sibichikari gari kwendi jogo kaganeri gakonyo kanyore something kemusugume bosi igonko basaba kamuranje everything tokora kirenge tutogokora toteme sana kuruanirira umusae atuare a position ya influence tuigwane egekora togo expect umuntu okongire chimbuche chiitete ngaikaraze kuinyoranga ngange bisenko babirencha kuinyora baka mutu waru umuntu kumanyanga tolikura aburuga sikwa buruba kanone 5 bobumo buko ebintu bisambete pio mutuo olitoebe ebintu bigo chaka gusimaili birasimaili ekeromwa mwebangire bisebire busyogari biko baruanire otherwise bintu bigo simaili we wanna need. Now lastly allow me now speak in English na limora ungangwa kandi ngezonga akega because I know media is here. Yes, protocol, I understand these things. I know what I'm going to do. I want to say this. The county commissioner present and the national government and the county government at that level, I want to request you, my brothers and sisters seated here today. This is the future of this country. This is the future of the entire region. Let's talk of East Africa and Africa at large. I want to request you because I can see youthful faces here. Whatever we are doing for these people, let's do it with the honesty. Let's do it with a clean heart. Let's deliver for them if we want to safeguard our nation and the country at large. Tafadhali, if you have been given a position of influence, do the right thing. Barimo gotegerera ngo igumure ngento keringo kwana ime ya mwanya bantu ngo tebanga umuntu kweimoka mambi gwachi gusareria abana b'abantu kwa makoira na butuko kwa beka marusi gusabanya sasi ni abana babo ngeke koreka. It cannot happen. So I want to request you that whatever you are doing in that capacity, wherever you are, do the right thing, thinking that in future, this person will be in an office of influence, akumbuke ule mtu alitusaidia ili watoto wako wapate kusonga mbele. Because we are serving a living God, Mungu yeye anatuona. Unaweza fanya zako hapa chini, lakini aliye juu mbinguni anafanya nini? Anaona. Just do the right thing and move on. Because God can bless you in very many ways. Na bora akore bintebia to ruara pirinde. So things can disappear from your life in a very mysterious way. I want to request you that we work together, we join our hands, we create proper policies, we create proper regulations that are going to transform the future of this nation and the Kisii County at large. I don't want to take much time. I want to take this opportunity to request the area DCC to come up front. Tulikuwa tumemsahau kidogo, so I speak a word and he invites the CC in that order. Karibu sana bwana DCC. Mpigie makofi, mwagire jiko.
Thank you, Waziri. Our chief guest.